guys, I'm Mary. And I'm Ori. And today we are going to Hickory's in Poynton in Cheshire. I see you there, I guess. Hickory's of a cinema room, so I think we're gonna check this out. It's really cool. I personally think it was a little bit messy and the volume wasn't up too. I mean, it's a bit iffy. Hey guys, the kids pack, which was left in front of me, it came with lots of different things, like, oh, I wonder what's in here. Oh, colouring pencils, nice. Maybe that's inside. You can do this. Also, it came with a little flag. And a plastic knife and fork. It also came with sweet popcorn, which looks pretty good actually. Smells pretty good too. So bye bye. I'm about to try this cheesy nachos with guacamole. So I'm gonna try it. It's like a pickly, cheesy, avocado-y, crunchy nachos. Review. What does it taste like? I've got the softness of the guacamole, I've got the crunchiness of the nachos, and then just the perfectness of the cheese. Look at this. Come on. That is burning hot.
Enjoy, guys.
It is very crispy. Look at this. This is the outside. It's crunchy. Inside is just a normal pickle. It's very basic. I don't need to explain it. All it is a fried pickle. Not salty, not anything. This does nothing. And it's pretty good. The food has just arrived. Mains. So I'm going to be tasting the burger. This is the tiniest burger I've ever seen, so it has to be pretty good. It's decent. The chicken's normal chicken.
Chicken burger?
It's very extra plain. The bread's pretty good. It's just really plain plain. I'll give it 6 out of 10. Next is me, and And we've got the kids mac and cheese with fries. This looks delicious. It's come with a little pan with the mac and cheese. It looks creamy. Try it.
Thank you.
Any sauces or anything?
Is there barbecue sauce?
Check the barbecue butter.
It is cheesy. It's not very hot. I like mac and cheese hot. A bit salty too. And it's weird, but it's salty. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. It's disappointing. Very disappointing. This is called Memphis rib, and I just got this rib, and oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Now that is good. It's sweet, it's a little bit spicy. Tastes just like little ribs. Oh, that's just too nice. The barbecue sauce that makes it all, and it's just amazing. So, with the chips, it's a little bit better. But it's got the crunchiness, and the crunchiness is great. And, well, bye-bye. See you later. I just tried this burger. It looks nice. It's the worst. 1 out of 10. I can't describe. The cheese tasted sweet. The cheese doesn't taste right. It is not nice. Like, what is this cheese? Look. Like, what is this cheese? Yellow cheese. Not nice. Not nice. 1 out of 10. This is very disappointing. We are not going to get dessert, and this place is not that great. This cheese, no. This, just no. We are going to do our reviews. We are definitely going to do our reviews on the phone. Probably going to give it, I don't know. Wait till the end. This has been disgusting. It's really a disgrace. It's very disappointing. Yeah, I think so. I went to have to go to the toilet because I ate that cheese. It's not that very good. Disappointing. Right, our reviews are 3 out of 10. Very disappointing, and the food was just terrible. I give it a 2 out of 10. First of all, the chicken burger was okay. The starters was pretty good. Then it went into the burgers, and the burgers. The first one was decent, the kids, because you know it's for kids. But then the adult one, I tried it. The cheese wasn't just cheese, it's like rubber cheese. It was disgusting. I give it 1 out of 10. This is just 1 star. Do you agree? I definitely agree. Yeah, this is Hickory's in Cheshire. Unfortunately, the link's in the description. Thank you. We subscribe. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's for free. And you can always unsubscribe later. So, bye. Bye-bye. Disgusting.